Hello to all traders and welcome back to the market review brought to you by Orbex. It's all about gold as we hit the American session shortly, and it's creeping up even higher as the fallout of the CPI and retail sales data has really boosted the yellow metal. So we're on course for another record high, but more importantly, we have to break the 2400 handle before that is done. So at the moment, just trading a few dollars under that, roughly about $15, which isn't too much of a big significant move if you think that since the start of the week or the back end of last week, we've moved over $80. So that's not really been too much of a surprise. But as you can see here on the RSI, we're just seeing now that, you know, the overbought conditions on the RSI was expected to have a big correction. We did get a slight correction back down to 2300. That has become a major support in the last few trading sessions. So with that being said, are we going to start creeping higher? Are we going to hit some firm resistance and then have more of a pullback? We'll have to wait and see, obviously, but with, you know, the big data that's come and gone, which was the CPI data, we're just seeing now if that's going to have any bearing on the next move. If we look at the intraday analysis on the 4-hour chart, as you can see here, this big spike that we saw in the middle of April, excuse me, failed to have any other tests, and then since then we had this very choppy action that prices would possibly start moving higher but didn't do, and then we found a firm support roughly just below the 2300 handle before moving higher. Excuse me. So with that being said, where are we going next? Are we going to have more of a push above the 2400 area? Well, this particular zone is the key resistance for a lot of traders and economists as well. So if we don't get what we are expecting, we could have more of a big correction after the 20-day simple moving average has been very moved against, but as you can see here, a firm bearish divergence coming into play, so this could actually weigh in on prices, but it'd be interesting to see if we do crack that 2400 handle and hit another record in the meantime. I just want to have a quick look on gold. I'll just pull this back on the daily chart because we are now approaching this really firm double top that we are potentially going to have some big resistance just under the $30 area. So silver has started moving quite significantly as well. Obviously silver does move with gold with the metal market, but silver has actually had more of a push and momentum. But if we look on the 4-hour chart now, we're just seeing a slight consolidation, a little bit more of an anxiety for a lot of traders to see if we're going to have sideways pattern consolidation or a firm heavy resistance and a move lower. So just keep an eye out for the big corrections coming on the metal market if they do, and obviously with all the big fundamental news events that are coming out, you can obviously check out our fundamental calendar on our website orbex.com, and don't forget to check us out on our YouTube and Telegram channel where we will be posting this video and lots of other posts to keep you up to date. So stay with us, stick ahead, trade responsibly, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.